Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Simbi and thank you so much guys for subscribing. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this crochet wig using only one packet of expression braids. So guys, if this is something that you are interested in, please watch till the end. So let's get into the tutorial. So guys, I'm going to be using this rosewood color. I want to try something else. I'm just used to black, brown, so I just wanted to try something else. So I'm going to cut my braids into three and then I'm going to pull the edges. So I'm just going to detangle it using my fingers, then I will brush it to smooth it and make sure that it's not tangled. And guys, make sure when you're brushing your braids, you're holding it tightly so that when you're brushing you won't lose too much hair. Because if you do this as you are using only one packet, so it's on a budget. If you lose too much hair, you end up use 2 packs. So we want to use only one because you're doing this on a budget. I'm going to be using this adjustable wig cap for my wig. I'm not going to be using that one for crochet's one. I'm going to be using this because I want to make a closure later on the top. So I'm going to be using this wig cap, but I'm going to be replacing that lace on top there. I'm going to be using this Swiss lace and I'm going to sew it like that. So I'm going to sew about 5 by 2 inches. I will measure it later on. I will show you. I will measure it when I'm done sewing. So guys, when you're done sewing, you're just going to tie your thread, then cut it. Then we're going to cut the excess lace that's there. Then we're going to flip our wig cap and cut the wig cap underneath our Swiss lace. So as you can see right here, I used 5 by 2 inches. That's what I'm going to ventilate. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to crochet the hair at the back. Then after that, we're going to do the closure. Place your crochet like that, then put your hair on your latch, close the latch, pull it out, then open the loop, then pass your hair through the loop like that, twist, turn, pass your hair through and pull it. That's going to tie and knot. So I'm going to show you again. Take your hair and make sure that one side is longer than the other so that our wig can be longer. So make sure one side is longer than the other. Then we're going to take your crochet, place it like that on your wig cap. Then you are going to put your hair on your latch, pass it through, then open your loop, take your hair, pass it through, twist, turn, pass it through and pull like that. So guys, I'm going to crochet it in lines and I'm going to crochet the one on top like that. I'm going to crochet it in between the two that's on the lower line. So it's going to be like a brick method, and the one on top is going to cover the space that is on the lower line, and reduce your spacing when you reach the top part. So now I'm going to show you how I make my closure. I'm going to be using my ventilating needle to make the closure, and I'm picking 3 strands here at the back, and I'll switch to 2, and at the hairline I'm going to pick 1. I am not using the same crochet for the closure because my Swiss lace has little holes, and if I use a crochet it's going to destroy my lace. It's going to leave big holes right there. So I use a ventilating needle when I'm making my closures. I don't use crochet. So guys, if you don't know how to ventilate, I have a video for that. I'm going to leave the video in the description box, so you are going to click the link and you can see how to ventilate if you don't know how to. But if you do, I hope you can understand what I'm doing right there. So if you don't, please make sure go and watch that video. It's very detailed. It's very detailed, like detailed. You can learn the do's and don'ts of how to ventilate, how to use the crochet, how many hairs to pick, where and how. So you can see, go and check out that video after watching this, of course. So I'm just going to ventilate my closure like that. Right here I'm picking 2 strands of hair, and I'm skipping 1 row throughout the closure. I'm going to skip 1 row. I'm just going to change the amount of hair that I pick. So at the back 3, and then in the middle 2, and then at the hairline I'm going to pick 1, so that it looks natural at the front. You don't need to pick 3 strands or more at the front because we want it to look natural, and if you pick too much hair it's not going to look good. So you have to pick 1 strand at the hairline so that it looks nice. And when you are ventilating using braiding hair, make sure when you are pulling your hair you don't pull too much, because if you do pull too much it's going to break. It's different from original weaves or like any synthetic weaves. So you have to pull it gently. If you pull it harder it's going to break. And here at the front I'm going to pick 1 strand, 1 strand, 1 strand. As you can see, it's looking like really natural. You are not seeing any knots. You won't see any big knots like if you pick 3 strands or 2 or whatever. At the front you have to pick 1, 1, 1, so that it will look natural. It will look like the hair is coming out of your scalp. If you pick 1 strand at the front, it's going to look natural. The knots will be invisible. So guys, to achieve the curls that I had, I twisted like jumbo twists. I twisted them tightly, and then I dipped it into hot water, and then I let it dry. I sun dried it. I put it outside, then it dried, and then I'm going to unravel the twist after it's dry. I left it outside for about 1 hour and it was dry. So right there I'm just unraveling the twist, and make sure it's dry before you unravel. And then I'm going to separate the hair like that. This is how I achieved the curls. As you can see, I'm really loving the curls. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this curling method and what you think about these curls. Are you also loving the curls? What you think about the color? Yeah, I just wanted to try something else. I'm not used to colors, but I just wanted to try something. So let me know in the comment section what you think about the color, about the curls. Does the color suit me? Let me know. So I'm applying my olive oil mousse to just activate the curls, yeah, and make them pop. Then I'm going to try on the wig after the mousse is dry. Yeah, So guys, this is the final result. If you have watched till this point, thank you so much guys for your support. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for returning. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, please share the video so that many people can see, so that many people can come to our channel, so that we can grow. If you have noticed, we are starting to grow. Thank you so much guys for clicking the subscribe button. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. If there is something that you didn't understand on this video, please do say in the comment section. I will answer you there. And let me know what you think about the color. Is it good? Is it bad? Does it suit me? Does it not? Let me know. So see you in my next video. Goodbye.